Hello guys, my name is Noor and today we will discuss Django project in your Ubuntu system. Django, it's Python based framework, so we need to check Python is installed or not. We just type some command here to check Python installed or not. Right here Python. Okay, so if you not find anything in this command, so you can use another command is python 3. Python 3 is the latest version. Okay, so with the help of this so we can use this python 3 command and everywhere we don't use this python 1. Okay, python is working or not. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. That's good, my python is working fine. So let's exit and try another way. Try just exit from Python. Yeah, clear. So Python is already installed. If if in your PC it's not installed, so you just type there Python sudo apt install Python, or if you want to install Python 3, then you Python 3. So this is older version Python and this is newer version Python. You can install any of them. So in the step 3, so I just forgot, every time when you want to install something, you just update your system, like sudo apt update. It will help you to latest one, get the latest one. Okay, it will update. So now after we need to check pip or pip 3. So the same also, the pip is a older version and pip 3 is a newer version. Okay, so let's check pip is installed or not. No, pip is not there. Now check pip 3. Oh, pip 3 is not there, but they give me that command how to install pip and how to install pip 3. So the command it's same, so we just copy that and paste it here to install pip, and you can also copy from here. So I need to install it. It's going to install. Yes, I want to install. I want to continue. Okay, at least it's the install completed. Now we check pip is working or not. Type pip. Yeah, it's working. Pip 3 it's also will work. Yeah, that's great. To create a virtual environment, we need to install a package, Python package. So we just go there and paste it, Python env. Let's take some time to install. Okay, it's done. We're going to create a virtual environment folder to build our project. So we need to go okay, create a folder mkdir, the folder name. Okay, I need to add sudo before of this. Sudo mkdir Python projects. Okay, Now check. Oh yeah, it's there. I go to inside this Python project folder. Yeah, I am now in here. Okay, so I need to create a folder here to create a Django project. Okay, so I going to create a folder, and inside this folder I going to install my Django project, first Django project. Okay, so again I run this command, sudo mkdir project1. The folder name is project1, project folder. Okay, project folder. Yeah, that sounds good. ls, yeah, this is project folder. I think the folder name is wrong. Again I can create, this is so weird. Project dir, I name this project dir. Okay, this is project dir, and I want to remove that folder, project folder name. So sudo rm r project folder. I hope it, yeah, it's not there. Very funny. So let's insert that project dir folder, cd project dir ls. So now I am inside the desktop, inside the desktop and the Python project and project dir. So I'm going to create here a environment folder, okay, to isolate my application. So I going to use this folder to build my application. Okay, so let's copy the command and paste it here, but replace this name to your environment name. It can be anything, but in my case I use env. You can choose anything. Okay, this says that because in this folder it's a newly created folder, so in this folder we don't give any access to read and write. So we need to go there, cd / cd / again. So okay, sorry, ls. I going to give him that Python project a permission, read and write everything. I just copy the name from here and type here sudo hmod mod 777. The folder name is this. Okay, I need to paste it here. The folder name, oops, I'm going to type it, Python projects, and inside the folder I want to give the access for everything, every folder and subfolders also inside this folder. So now ls, yeah, it's a green color. That means, so before I giving the permission it's look like this, but after giving the permission it's look like this. So I hope it is working fine. cd Python project ls, cd again project dir ls. Now I hope we can create that, yeah, Python env. I want to create the folder, the name of, okay, I need to again give cd ls. Okay, to give him also the permission. Project folder, okay, cd project dir. Now the final, I hope it will be working fine. Sorry for guys, sorry to wasting some time. it's happened. Okay, don't worry about that. Yeah, I think it's taking time. That means it's worked. It will work. Okay, it's working fine. So now, at first I cleared this terminal because it's a lot of things. Oh, now I check the list. Yeah, that folder is created already. So now we already in step 5 we created that environment folder. Now we need to activate this folder. Just copy this name. Okay, so here your folder name, I forget to add here envname, like this. Now copy this and paste it here. Don't worry guys, I will give this note in the description. You will find on the video description. Don't worry about it. env, my folder name is env, and hit that enter. Okay, now you can see that one variable is added before my user. Okay, so that means your project is isolated now. So if you can install anything inside that env folder, it not impact globally on your system. Okay, so let's create again. I clear my system. Okay, it looks good now. So this already completed. Now we going to install our Django project. Okay, to install Django project, it's simple. You just type python -m pip install Django. Let's try this. I think we need to little bit less. That's okay. Now let's paste it here. It's collecting some data. Yeah, downloading. It start downloading. Yeah, Django is downloaded successfully inside this environment. How you check it's downloaded or not? So when you install some packages inside any environment, you just check pip freeze. It will be so that you install these 3 packages automatically. Okay, so now but we only install this, but it will be come with this Django project automatically. Now we need we already installed Django, but we need to create a project inside this, because if I show in list, we only see that env folder, but we don't see any Django project there. So we need to create a Django project here. I just copy there, then paste it, and don't forget to replace this name to your project folder. I want to name it project 1. Okay, project 1. No, it's project is enough. Yeah, I hope it's completed. Yeah, this is your project. So now you just go there, cd project, ls. Now you inside that project. Check it's the project it's working or not. Just paste here python manage.py run server, and yeah, everything is fine. You just click that link and it will be working fine. Okay, now we just want to open this project in my code editor, in my case VS Code. So just type code. I want to use shortcut key to open this VS Code here. Just type code and dot, and that way it will open your Visual Studio Code project. It will open your project in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is my project folder, and everything is there. Okay, so I need, it's want to install extension. Okay, I will install it. It will help to build any project in Python. Okay, so I need so if we need to create an application in Django, we can also create an application. Just copy this command and we want to make it side. Okay, and paste it here, replace that app name from here. App name will be anything, icon, web app. Okay, this app name is web app. So now you can see that when one app is already added here, web app. So in that way you can create a Django project in Ubuntu, and it's also successfully run. After adding any project, so you don't forget to go in settings.py and add here your project name between quotation, like in my case web app. Okay, that will auto load or install your application in your project. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you understand well how we installed a Django in our Ubuntu system. So bye for now.